I wake up and wash my face. Marge rolled 9 dice, then made an ice cream cone at home. The mule ate an ice cube. The man painted the train in the rain. The dog played all day in the hay. I like to read and drink tea. Beck likes to feed his 3 goats. 3 big flies flew in the pie. Did you spy on the guy? I turned off my night light. Jack floated his boat in the water. Joe stubbed his toe on the hole. I saw a blue claw on the ground. I spilled a little fruit juice on my foot. Mom blew on the stove to it off.